AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 truly is at present at $0.005, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. AMP certainly faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which especially is genuinely critical. AMP records certainly descending development today, or so they explicitly thought. 23 December 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these often truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what especially is transient cost expectation for AMP, most certainly is AMP a generally excellent speculation. AMP support and opposition levels and so forth, which is genuinely huge. However, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, in a real sense let us for the most part discuss the ongoing economic situations, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,659,3,959,381 in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The sort of absolute exchanging volume basically remains at $54,944,631,622, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a very significant manner, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period in a genuinely enormous manner. BNB, the especially local coin of BNB by and large, is somewhere near 0.4 and right now exchanging at $268.25, showing how Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, XRP came to 62 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem. Genuinely further appearance how 23 December 2023, in this video, we will fundamentally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually really sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is transient cost expectation for AMP, sort of is AMP a very wise speculation, which generally is very critical. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market truly is going in an especially descending heading for present moment, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.74% coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. Right now, a very broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume essentially remains at $54,944,631,622 in an unpretentious manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become sort of more exceptionally dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers explicitly become move genuinely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP by and large is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, showing how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, or so they fundamentally thought. There truly are practically 42,227,702,186 explicitly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, so Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. AMP Value Examination AMP Cost Investigation for 23 December 2023, inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of beneath in an extremely significant manner. We utilize most certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to sort of dissect the future development of the AMP. Showing how support most certainly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become in every practical sense, all the more truly dynamic, and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very huge. While AMP's Williams %R marker certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign certainly is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period, or so they in a real sense thought. The MACD line certainly is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how AMP records certainly descending development today, or so they generally thought. AMP financial backers need to especially sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, which for the most part is very critical. The primary help level for AMP fundamentally is at $0.005, while the subsequent one in a real sense is at $0.004, so AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, for the most part, is right now at $0.005 in a sort of significant manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP by and large has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 separately, exhibiting what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 45 and truly is attempting to fundamentally break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing how